Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the Auraled LED USB LED Moodlight from Disumi. So I got this product from Walmart for $5. $5 from Walmart. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this product out. Before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Auraled LED strip for TVs up to 65-inch. This is for TVs, PC, or home. This is a USB LED Moodlight. Here you can see the features. This features a 16-color selection. Adjust color intensity and brightness, and create an ambient environment for your home. So you can use this on your monitors, such as your computer. This comes with a remote. And here's one last look at the product. And let's take a look around the box. Here's on the right side of the box, you have the Auraled LED. Here's the bottom side of the box with a warning label, and same thing on this side of the box. So let's take a look on the back side of the box. The back side of the box features the description of the Auraled LED USB LED Moodlight, the ultimate home experience. Here you can read a description. You can create a home living room with a unique atmosphere, and it talks about the rest. Here are the specifications of these LED lights. This is USB powered from any 5-volt standard USB port. This has a 3M self-adhesive tape. This fits TVs up to 65-inch. This has a selection of 16 colors and 4 mood light settings. This has a remote control that works up to 26 feet away. And this has 60 RGB LED lights. This includes one 6.5 LED strip, connections, and a wireless remote. So here are some other information here, and here's a barcode if you want to look this up online. And with that being said, here's the setup for example. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Auraled LED USB LED Moodlight. So I have my X-Acto knife here ready to go. All we have to do is cut through the seal tape here that is on top of the box. Once that is done, let's go ahead and open this. So what I'll be using this is for my 43-inch TV. You can also use this for your monitors. It comes with this anti-static bag. Here's the packaging inside. Let's go ahead and open this up. Once you open this up, just take the contents out, including the remote. And yeah, so here's the remote. Here's a closer look at the remote. You have your different color selections, your brightness, and your on and off button. Here's the back side of the remote, and this does come with a battery. All you have to do is pull the tab that is at the top. And here we have some advertisement, a promo code for their products. All you have to do is download their app. Earning cash for likes, another ad. This is something that you don't get nowadays. So here's the manual, USB LED Moodlight. And here's a closer look. Product overview, assembly, and installation. Here you can see all I have to do is peel the protective to expose the tape. And here's the other side of the manual. Wireless remote control, troubleshooting, important safeguards, and some specifications. You can always pause the video if you want to read all through that to see if this product is right for you. And here's a warning note, which the product may exceed power limits of certain USB ports with a 500 milliamp power draw. Please check with your manufacturer, your TV or computer to determine the specs of your USB port that is available on your device before installing this. And now let's go ahead and take a look. Here it's wrapped in this spiral. And here's the adhesive. All you have to do is pull this out to expose the 3M adhesive. And here's the LED lights. And here's the USB cable and the connections. LED controller, 5-volt. And here's the USB-A. You can also use this for your install LEDs for your car, but let's go ahead and test this out. So all you have to do is connect it, find an opening that has 4 pins on the end of the LED strip, and connect it. Make sure they're matching. It's pretty simple and straightforward. That's how you would connect it. And there you would go. And this goes to the USB port. And here I have my controller out. And we're going to turn this on. And it does work. So I'm connecting the power source that I'm connecting to as a power bank. And this does work with a power bank. And just imagine using this on your PC, monitor, or even your car. Just imagine installing LED strips to your car. It'll make the interior pop. So here are the different light modes that I'm pushing here. Let's dim the lights. And let's see the full effect of each color. Here's blue, my favorite. Let's turn off the lights here. Here's purple. Here's strobe, blue. Seems like the strobe mode doesn't have multiple colors, but this is RGB, red, green, and blue. So it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. And let's go ahead and connect the LED strips to my TV. So here's what it looks like on my 43-inch TV. And as you can see, I did not use the adhesive strip. I just wrapped it around my TV stand for simple use. And look how it lights up the background of the TV. Pretty cool. So the one thing that I would have to say is that for the remote, you have to really point it at the IR blaster that is on the USB connection. But all of that said, that's about it for this product. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content as on his channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. I'll see you on the next one.